For today's recipe, we're going to need 2 cans of black beans, 2 tablespoons of chipotle, 1 whole onion, and it's going to be 1/2 cup for the cactus, and the remainder will be for the beans, 1 tomato, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1 of cilantro, 1/2 cup of corn, salt and pepper to taste, tortillas, and olive oil. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to heat up a pan with oil. We're going to add our onion, and our garlic. And you want to cook it until the onion is translucent, so about 3 minutes. Once our onion is cooked, we're going to add our cactus. And this cactus has been boiled already and chopped. And you want to cook it for about 5 minutes so that the juices from the cactus dry up. Because the cactus has these like sticky types of juices, and cooking it will get rid of most of it. So we'll let it cook for a good 5 minutes before we add the rest of the ingredients. Alrighty, so our cactus has been cooking for about 5 minutes now. I'm going to go ahead and add the corn, the tomato, mix it up a little bit. And I'm guessing if you don't have cactus, you could probably use green beans. That wouldn't be a bad idea. And this is a very economic dish. Cheap and easy, and it can feed your whole family. Alright, now I'm going to add my cilantro and my oregano. And if you don't have cilantro or oregano, you can go ahead and omit those. I really like the flavor that they give this meal. But if you don't have them in your refrigerator, you don't want to go to the store just yet, you can go ahead and omit those. Now we're going to add salt and pepper to taste. Now remember, cactus has this, it's very mild, but it's kind of a, I want to say like a sour taste. So the salt, the pepper, and the sweetness of the corn go perfect with this meal. Now we're just going to finish cooking it. So I'm going to mix it for another 3 minutes, and then we're going to move on to our sauce, the bean-based sauce. Alrighty, now we're going to move on to our bean-based sauce. So we're going to add our 2 cans of black beans, and these are very economical. They're from Trader Joe's. We're going to add our onion. Then we're going to add about a teaspoon of chipotle. Let's say a tablespoon. Okay. Now we're going to blend it until it's nice and creamy. Now I have another pan heating up with some olive oil as well. I'm going to warm up my beans. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper. You can add chicken bouillon if you'd like. Today I just feel like adding salt and pepper. And we're going to cook them for about 5 minutes, and then we're ready to make our enchiladas. You want them to be saucy. You want them to be well blended, since this is your sauce, not the typical tomato enchilada sauce. Now that our cactus and our bean sauce is done, we're going to warm up a pan with some oil, and we're going to heat up our tortillas. So I'm going to make 3 enchiladas. And you cook them for about a minute to a minute and a half on each side. Depending on the heat, so just don't let them get too hard, because you want to be able to fold them like a little taquito. Okay, so now that I've cooked my 3 tortillas, I'm going to put in the filling into each one. And I'm going to roll them up and place them on my plate. Now once I have them all lined up on my plate, I'm going to add the bean sauce on top. And you can add as much or as little as you want, and however you want. It doesn't have to be like this. I'm going to decorate with a few corn kernels. Then I'm going to add my sour cream. And then we're going to top with Queso Fresco. And we're going to decorate with a few cilantro leaves. And there you have it. Now here is a close-up. They look and smell delicious. Alright guys, and there you have it. These super easy and delicious cactus enchiladas or Enfrijoladas de Nopal. So good, so economical, and so healthy. Like I said, feel free to omit some items, add some items, and if you don't have cactus, you can use green beans or any vegetable of choice. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video.